this video, we are going to learn how to solve a linear equation in one variable with the help of an activity. Before we start, let's discuss these things first.
So, what is a linear equation in one variable? An equation with one variable whose power is always 1 is a linear equation in one variable. For example, let's take 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. The y is the only variable in this equation, which makes it a linear equation in one variable. The second thing is, the two sides of a linear equation is always balanced. Let's take 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. The 3y plus 2 is the left hand side of this equation, whereas the 0 is the right hand side of this equation. If we have to perform any mathematical operation, we have to perform it on both of these sides. Now that we know what a linear equation in one variable is, let's start the activity. For this activity, we need few colorful sheets, marker, pencil, compass and a pair of scissors. Basically, the aim of this activity is to learn how to solve a linear equation in one variable. Let's start the activity. Take a blue sheet and cut 2 circles. Take a green sheet and cut a few circles. Take a yellow sheet and do the same with it as you did with the green sheet. Now we have green, blue and yellow circles. Write -1 on the yellow circle. Write +1 on the green circle. And write X on the blue circle. Now that we are done with the preparation, let's start with the activity. Consider the linear pair with one variable as 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Place the two blue circles on which we wrote x below 2x. So, x plus x equals to 2x. Place 3 green circles on which we wrote plus 1 below 3. So, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. Now, place 5 green circles below 5. Now let's perform a mathematical operation. As I was told earlier, the two sides of linear equation are always balanced. So if we have to perform a mathematical operation, we have to perform it on both of these sides. So let's subtract -3 from both of these sides. Now add yellow circles on which we wrote -1 on both of the sides of the equation as shown. Now take a look at this. -1 plus 1 equals to 0. So let's remove all the -1 and +1. Now we have 2x and 2 plus 1s. Let's remove 1x and 1 plus 1. Now we only have 1x and 1 plus 1. This means plus 1 is the solution. Thus, x equals to 1. So this was the activity. I hope it really helped you. Thank you for watching.